Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of phrasal verbs. This time we are going to see the word set and what are the related words or the phrasal verbs that comes up with set. So let's begin. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content, and share it with your friends. We have content on NIOS, Senior Secondary Course, Computer Science, Maths and English, also English grammar topics discussed here. So let's start. So first one where we are going to see is setup. The meaning of setup is to arrange or to establish something. Example would be they set up a new business in the city. Next one is set off. It is to begin a journey or to start something. Example would be he set off early to avoid the traffic. And it also has the meaning to trigger or cause something to happen. Example would be the firecracker set off a loud noise. Next one is set out. It means to begin a journey or to start working on some task. Also it has the meaning to aim to do something. So the first example is they set out on a road trip across the country. So the word is set out, which means to begin a journey. Next one is he set out to finish the project by the end of the week. So its meaning is to aim to do something. He set out to finish, okay, or to start working on a task. That is the meaning of set out here. Next one is set in. It is to begin or seem likely to continue, often used with weather or situations. Example is the rain has set in for the afternoon. Next one is set aside. It means to save something for a specific purpose or to ignore or disregard. So example would be she set aside some money for emergencies. It has the first meaning. Next one is he set aside his differences to work with the team. It is to ignore. Okay. So that are the two meanings of set aside. Next one is setback. Setback is to delay or hinder the progress. Example is the project was set back by 2 weeks due to bad weather. It is to delay the project. Next one is the repair work will set us back $500. Okay, so its meaning is related to cost money. So setback is to cost money. So it has two meanings as well. Next one is set down. Set down means to write or record something. Please set down your thoughts on paper. It's to write or record. Next one is to place something down. He set down the bag on the table. So another meaning is to keep something down. Next one is set out for. To leave in order to go to a specific place. You can say we set out for the beach early in the morning. Okay, next one is set to. It is to start working with determination. Example of the phrasal verb set to can be they set to work immediately after receiving the instructions. And the last one that we are going to see for this video is set up for. It means to prepare or organize something for some specific purpose. The team set up for the meeting before the guests arrived. So hope the video was useful to you. If you found some new information from this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and also share the content with your friends. Thank you for watching.